In this video, we will learn how to fix DocuSign push group error, unable to update push group mapping target app. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications, and search for the DocuSign application. Under the Provisioning tab and Integrations, click Edit. Go to your DocuSign admin account. Under Settings, then Integrations, select Apps and Keys. Copy the API account ID and paste it into the API account ID section on the Okta admin console and click Authenticate with DocuSign. This will prompt you to sign into your DocuSign admin account, which will email a verification code. Enter the code and click Allow Access. This will show DocuSign has been verified successfully, and click Save to save the changes. Now navigate to the Push Groups tab and change the error to Activate Push Group. And that is how to fix DocuSign push group error, unable to update push group mapping target app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.